Ooh, eczema bath recipe. There's so many great, amazing natural remedies you can do for the bath. Okay, warm water for sensitive skin. Excellent. We want to avoid hot water if you have sensitive skin or eczema. Ooh, oats. I love colloidal oats. I think it's a great remedy for eczema and sensitive skin. Magnesium. Okay. What's coming next? Bentonite clay. That's an interesting combination because the bentonite clay has a negative charge and it likes to bind to positive charges like magnesium. So those two things can actually bind to each other and negate the effects. Ooh, coconut milk. Coconut milk is excellent. It has fatty acids and it can really lock in hydration. Apple cider vinegar. Not a fan of that necessarily with eczema. It could cause irritation. And tea tree oil, I would ideally avoid essential oils with sensitive skin or in a bath where it really doesn't absorb well. Overall, there were some okay things in there. You know, I love coconut milk. I love oats. I think they're great for eczema and that combination. I would avoid the bentonite clay with the magnesium. That doesn't really make sense. And apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil could be a little too irritating for people with eczema. So simplicity is best.